In the meantime, opposition spokesperson on Labour and Social Security, Dr. Angela Brown-Burke, has blasted the Labour Minister for his handling of the dispute involving security guards and security companies.
Minister, I also want to say to you that I think that you have failed the security guards by taking as long as you have to arrive at the decisions you did while ignoring them. The truth is, we need a minister who is quick to respond to issues facing workers. A minister with a keen interest that is fully engaged in reaching a settlement in disputes between business leaders and workers and their representatives. Madam Speaker, today we have workers, industrial relations practitioners, business leaders yearning for the days when the minister showed a real interest in improving the industrial relations climate. At this point, no one can be blamed for coming to the conclusion, Minister, that there is no interest in these issues, or that you don't care or simply cannot manage your portfolio responsibilities.
Dr. Brown-Burke also called on the Prime Minister to break his silence on the dispute involving security guards. She reiterated her support for the Joint Industrial Council and called on the government to make the terms of reference public.
It is still critical for us to ask companies under these present circumstances to cease any punitive action until matters can be dealt with. This may mean some initial discussions immediately, as it would be a travesty if the courageous workers who stepped forward to bring their plight to the public were to be victimized in the process. The protection of these workers and others who have not yet signed should be a priority.